Hello my lovelies and welcome to Dear Denise Kitchen. Today we are preparing one of my favorite smoothies, and smoothies are a way of me adding some other nutrients to my diet. So if you want to see what I'm adding today, stay tuned. So this is what I have available now, fresh and frozen. My smoothies tend to depend on what I have available, and today I have blueberries and I have bananas which I've cut up. I tend to cut up my bananas and put them in the freezer when they're getting overripe, and I have some pineapple as well which I had cut up and put frozen. I have fresh spinach, and I also have unsweetened soya, and I've got maca powder, and then I have some collagen powder. Now if you choose to use maca powder in your smoothie, please check out the nutritional value and side effects etc before you do use it. So I'm using spinach. I'll be adding some honey, which was not really necessary because as you can tell, this smoothie is full of fruits, and fruits means sugar, high content of sugar. So but if you do want honey, please go ahead and add some more honey to it, but this is what I have available and I'm using for my smoothie today. Sometimes I tend to add some nuts to it as well, or most often I prefer to have more vegetables in my smoothie than fruits, but then this is what we have, so this is what we are going to be having today. This smoothie turned out so beautiful, so lovely and so yummy, so do try it. It's a way of incorporating some nutrients or some nutritional powders such as spirulina as well to your diet. So enjoy. Let me know how you feel about it or how it tasted. Okay, thanks for joining me today. Until next time, enjoy your smoothie. Bye for now.